Presenting a pre-owned 2018 BMW X3 xDrive30i. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter I4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 33,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, premium package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, window defogger, moonroof, heated front seats, and navigation system. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.